Nakita ako ni Direk Loren sa SM Food Court, Cebu. And that's where it all started. Parang from a little dreamer girl na wala namang inasahan na kahit na ano na gusto ko lang makita sa TV every day for 6 weeks sa PBB, teens. Yun lang yung mindset ko. Makikita ako sa TV araw-araw for 6 weeks kung hindi ako ma-evict. And nangyari naman. And pinalad na nanalo. And doon na nag-unfold lahat ng dreams, lahat ng nag-open yung possibilities, lahat ng tiwala na meron. Yung network, I started without having anything in my hand or anything in my pocket. I don't know how to sing, I don't know how to dance, I even don't know how to act, even to host. Masakit sa tenga ako magsalita. But I'm here, living my dream and renewing another year with my home network. Kung sinong 2 years. 2 years. Sorry, tita. Sorry po. Medyo dumi. Wait lang. Ilang pang years na to continue this dream that I have, not just for myself, but also for my family. And dahil din dito sa ABS-CBN, naging maayos yung buhay namin. Hindi lang pangarap ko yung natupad, pangarap ng mga kapatid ko. And I am just grateful. And I am just very, very blessed. And I'm giving back everything to my home network, ABS. Because tinulungan nila ako na walang-wala ako.